Alright, what is up guys? Today I have another review of another review. Alright, so remember the time that I did a video on the Sony XB31? Yeah, if you remember that time, this speaker is my favorite speaker. Of course, I have the new XB32. That thing looks a bit brand newer, you know, maybe sounds better. I don't know anything about that product, but this is still my most favorite product. I don't care if they have this new sound change or new anything. This thing I always take to the park, has the amazing neon lights if you want to put it in everywhere. It's Sony, so it's amazing, has lights and all that stuff. But over here, for 1/3 of the price, if you're, you know, if you want something a little cheaper than this, you know, you can get the Anker Soundcore 2. I know nothing about this. It's still brand new in its package, and we will be unboxing and reviewing this thing. Ooh, a knife popped up. A knife popped up out of nowhere, and let's use this knife to unbox this device. And we'll be going on all the specifications later. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's do satisfying stuff. Yes. Beautiful. Alright, here is the box itself. It has enhanced sound, 24-hour playtime, which is really nice. So if they say 24 hours, it's probably on 80%. So on max, it'll be like around 20 hours of playtime, which is really nice. Fully waterproof and IPX7 waterproof rating, which is also really nice. For only 40 bucks, and this thing has 4,400 ratings, like 4,500 ratings, and you know, so I just immediately bought this device. Alright, so we have this happy, not happy, whatever that is. Got the owner's manual. We will put that to the side. We have the Anker speaker. Alright. Oh, this thing is heavy. Of course, the Sony is like 3 times the size, and it's like 3 times heavier. But this thing, for this kind of size, it's actually really heavy, and it feels nice too. Alright. What else do we have here? We have the charging cable, I think, is what's in this. Yep, it's a charging cable, standard, you know, charging cable that you use to charge most of your devices. I will plug that right back in. Go in, little thing. Yep. Alright, so we'll move this box and things away. And now on the Anker speaker itself. As I told you, this thing feels nice. You know, it's really heavy, and let's open it up. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, it has a nice rubber feel. Has Anker on both sides. Oh yeah, this feels good. I actually really like the big embolded buttons. And this is the Anker speaker. I don't know if it has any lights. That's one of the main features that I like about the Sony. But you know, for 1/3 of the price, you could see the size comparison. It's 3 times bigger than Sony. You know, Anker looks really nice. I really like this black color. And you know, without further ado, let's get into the actual sound test of this. But first, let's just quickly review through the buttons. You know, you got the on and off button. You got the volume. You got the volume down. Ooh, yep. You got the volume down. You got the pause or also play if you double tap it. And you got the volume up button. Here we have the Bluetooth button to connect with your Bluetooth, and I will be connecting to this to my phone and playing some songs. And I'll also be comparing with the Sony, you know, like a really quick comparison just to, you know, give you, you know, like a mind. Alright, so this thing is the previous model of the Anker, the first Anker speaker. That thing got lots and lots and lots of reviews, like 15,000, you know, reviews on that thing, and that is really crazy. So I immediately went out and bought the Anker 2, which is the upgraded version. And now let us set this thing up. I told you guys on the buttons. I told you guys on the Anker stuff. You know, let's click the Bluetooth button, and let's get this thing set it up. Alright guys, now now we're ready for some music with the Anker. One second, guys. Alright guys, now for some time with some music with the Anker Soundcore 2. And here we have the Sony XB31, you know, just in case, to show you guys why you're paying like more than 3 times, why you're paying 3 times more the price. This thing costs $40. This thing cost, when we bought it, $150. So alright, so now we're gonna turn on some music and show you guys the sound quality on these speakers. Alright, so right now we're gonna be playing on the Anker. That sounds good. This thing's nice. This thing sounds great. Alright, now to the next song. That tests all this. This sounds great. Alright, next song. Alright. The Anker Soundcore 2 sounds amazing. The tweeters are great. The mid-range is great. The bass for $40 is also really nice. You guys should definitely check this thing out. For $40, it's the best deal you can get. And now we're also gonna show you guys the Sony. We're gonna show you guys the Sony, and show you guys why it's worth 3 times more. So now we're gonna be going on switching to the Sony. I'm gonna play different music, and this monster's gonna blow this thing out of the water. All right, let's show you guys why this thing is worth more than 3 times the price. Alright guys, that just showed you how the Sony XP31 blows this thing out of the water. But guys, $40, this thing is amazing. The tweeters are great, the mid-range is great, and the base for $40, as I told you guys, is amazing. Guys, definitely check this thing out. And if you have a little bit more money to spend, guys, you should definitely get the Sony XP31, or I'm also going to be leaving the links for the Sony XP32, I think it was, or the 33, whichever the newest model is, if you guys want to check those out. But I will be having links for both of these products down in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Guys, definitely check out the Anker Soundcore 2. This thing is amazing. The sound quality is great. For $40, it's a really good investment. It's small, it fits in your pocket. Got some other ports here. We got the power and you got the aux in. And all that stuff. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. That really supports my channel. That, you know, just changes my day. As soon as I have one more subscriber or one more like than usual, or even like one comment, alright guys, those things, you know, make my day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and you know, I'm out.